Welcome to Gmmco's integrated facilities at Butibori and Hingna, driving service excellence across the nation. State-of-the-art rebuild and component facilities, enhancing machine life with OEM precision. A high-capacity central hub, ensuring critical parts reach customers swiftly within 48 hours. Every engine tested, every machine crafted to perfection. India's trusted oil sampling lab, enabling predictive maintenance. Sustainability at the core, harnessing clean energy and conserving water. A dedicated recreation facility, nurturing employee well-being and engagement. Gmmco, your trusted partner in integrated solutions and service excellence.